500 million straws are produced daily, enough to wrap around the Earth 2.5 times a day. Only 15% of plastics are recycled properly, meaning 425 million of those 500 million straws head straight to landfills. From these landfills, they then make their way into our oceans, affecting the lives of over 800 marine species and harming over 1 million seabirds and 100,000 other marine animals on a daily basis. There is approximately 5.25 trillion pieces of plastic debris in the ocean. Straws play a huge part in the amount of plastic debris found in the ocean, as they are the 11th most common type of garbage found. This problem is affecting our oceans around Canada, especially along the coast of British Columbia. In Vancouver, scientists sampled water outside Coal Harbour and found 1,258 particles of microplastics in 1 cubic meter of seawater. So why does this affect us? At the rate that we are producing today, there will be more plastic than fish in the ocean by 2050. The toxins from plastic debris threaten human health through contaminating our food chain. This is where Brighter Horizons comes in. We plan to combat the issue of ocean plastics by creating reusable straws out of used light bulbs collected from schools across Canada. We plan to start our initial implementation in elementary and middle schools, then eventually broaden that to include secondary schools as well. In 2017, there were almost 5 million elementary and secondary students enrolled in Canadian schools. Because of the high number of students in schools across Canada, placing our light bulb collection points there would provide an easier disposal point for a big portion of our population. This would maximize our effectiveness due to easy accessibility and simultaneously teach our children, the future generations, the importance of recycling. So why light bulbs? Only 41% of people recycle their CFLs, but 98% of the ones that don't have stated that they would if a more convenient method was provided. On top of that, IKEA already has the capabilities and resources to safely separate elements from old bulbs and transform them into pure glass and aluminum for reuse, as they use this process to create the aluminum cans for soda. According to the Harvard Business Review, incentives motivate students, so we plan to engage students by holding an IKEA competition across elementary and middle schools with a reward. The class that donates the most used light bulbs would be able to take a trip to the Vancouver Aquarium, where they can see the ocean plastics exhibit and the negative effects of ocean plastics, among other marine life. We've decided to partner with the OceanWise Foundation to implement the Brighter Horizons initiative. OceanWise takes on numerous initiatives regarding ocean plastics and educating youth on its importance. But most importantly, they participate in ocean shore cleanups, where volunteers can lead or be a part of a cleanup group. Through our partnership with OceanWise, we plan to make an impact near the Vancouver shorelines and help break our plastic patterns and protect our ocean. We would help donate proceeds of our straw sales to their cause, and in return, OceanWise would fund the expenses of the aquarium trip, as they designed the plastics exhibit in the aquarium. We plan to implement this first in Vancouver because of the aquarium and organization location, and how it will help IKEA simultaneously reduce its expenses. On top of all this, our organization supports IKEA's 3 change drivers. First, Brighter Horizons will help IKEA inspire and enable millions of customers to live a more sustainable life at home. Our project aims to help customers reduce single-use plastic waste and replace them with reusable things. Furthermore, engaging students with IKEA's Take Back program and partnering with the Vancouver Aquarium and OceanWise helps them learn about the problem in an impactful, hands-on way. Second, Brighter Horizons will help IKEA strive for resource and energy independence. By 2030, IKEA's goal is to inspire and enable 1 billion people to live a better everyday life within the limits of one planet, through investing in creating daily use products that can last a lifetime. By making reusable straws out of our waste, it allows us to reduce our carbon footprint and maximize the use of our planet resources, and by doing so, we are also aligning with the 12th UN Sustainable Development Goal of responsible consumption and production. And finally, we are helping IKEA in creating a better life for the people and communities. Through teaching future generations about the importance of recycling and how that impacts life below water, we are reaching the 14th UN Sustainable Development Goal of helping life below water, and we are ensuring that our children will be able to enjoy a non-polluted future. Canadians throw away about 57 million straws daily. Through small actions such as recycling our fluorescent light bulbs, using reusable straws, and educating our youth about the effects of improper recycling, we can make a significant difference to this problem. By implementing IKEA's Brighter Horizons, we are one step closer to ensuring our children will live a better life than we do now, making sure they will live with a cleaner and brighter horizon.